Hello class 9. Today I am going to start with this new topic of this chapter 1, introducing biology. Now today's topic is applied biology. Today's topic is applied biology. As you know, applied biology has enormous application in other branches of science. It forms an important part of the following branches. ओके अप्लाइड में क्या आएगा, जहाँ पे हम अप्लाई करते हैं बायोलॉजिकल साइंस को, दैट इज कॉल्ड द अप्लाइड बायोलॉजी. ओके, इन अप्लाइड following branches are included. First one is agriculture. Second one is apiculture. Third one veterinary science. Fourth one is marine biology or marine biology, and fifth one household biology, study of the household animal and insect also include in it. Household biology. And the sixth one is horticulture. Next one is sericulture. Eighth one is pisciculture. Molecular biology. And biotechnology, cloning, bioengineering. Bioengineering include nowadays, it include in this biotechnology, bioengineering. And nuclear biology, space biology, and exobiology, genomics, bioinformatics and biometrics also include in it. Now in agriculture, raising crop and livestock like cow and buffalo include in it. In apiculture, practice of the keeping bees for the manufacture of the honey and the bee wax. In veterinary sciences, treatment and surgery of animals. In marine biology, study of life in the sea. Household biology, study of household animal, insects, etc., including how to prevent damage to our own body and to our belongings. Horticulture, science and art of growing fruits, vegetable, flowers or ornamental plants. In sericulture, techniques of producing silk by raising silkworm. Pisciculture, the technique of growing fishes, or this is known as pisciculture. Molecular biology, interpreting biological event in terms of molecules in the science. And the biotechnology, the use of living cells or microorganisms in industries and technology. It includes such as the biogas production, food processing, genetic engineering, antibiotic formation also. Now next one is cloning, the rapidly advancing the branch of biotechnology. Several animals have been cloned in which a body cell is used with no involvement of the male sperm. This also includes the modifying crops which are easier to grow and improving their quality. Now next one is bioengineering, includes technique like making of the artificial limb, joints and other part of the body from metal or plastic. Artificial parts बनाते हैं, body part, by using plastic and wax and other material. Okay. It also includes some modified crops which are easier to grow and improve their food quality. Nuclear biology, the study of the effect of the radioactivity in the living things. which is also called the radiation biology. Now space biology, the study of the survival of the problem of the living things in outer space. Okay. Now 3 more branches include in it, that is exobiology. Exobiology, one of the newest sciences which contemplates to study life elsewhere in the universe. ठीक है, हम out of the earth life को search कर रहे हैं, that is called exobiology. Genomics, the study of the genomes. Genomics, study of genomes. Genome is the entire DNA sequence of an organism, and bioinformatics also include in it. Bioinformatics, management and analysis of the biological information stored in the databases, and biometrics, Biometrics, the verification of a person by his certain body features such as a pattern of iris in the eye and behavior characteristics include in this biometric. आप अभी आधार कार्ड बनाने जाते हैं तो नाउ ये टेक्निक यूज़ होती है, आपके फिंगरप्रिंट्स लेते हैं, आपके रेटिना का स्कैन होता है, दैट इज़ इंक्लूड इन दिस बायोमेट्रिक्स. ओके, नाउ डू दिस क्वेश्चन इन योर notebook, this progress check on page number 4 in my book. Name the specific branch of biology concerned with the study of fungi, fishes and insects. Okay. And transmission of the body characteristics from parent to children. Next question, mention the kind of study made under the following branches of science: histology, study of tissue; ecology, study of environment; cytology, study of cell; and pathology, disease causing agent or pathogens. Okay, now study of biology helps in the many way. Application of this study of biology. Okay, first one, study of biology helps us in many ways. First one is appreciation of nature. Appreciation of nature. Second point, keeping healthy. Next, conservation of natural resources. Conservation of natural resources and growing more food. And making our conscious citizen. Making us conscious citizen. Okay, the basic points: study of biology help us in the following 5 ways: appreciation of nature, keeping healthy, conservation of natural resources, growing more food, and making us conscious citizen. Okay, and now do this question in your notebook. It is your question number 1. Do it in your notebook. What is biology? What is biology? Name and define its 3 major branches. Name and define its 3 major branches. 3 major branches. Okay. Now question number 2. Is name any two borderline sciences which are connected with biology. Name any two borderline sciences which are connected with biology. Which are connected with biology. Okay, do it in your notebook. Thank you, class.